Hello. Again, I'm gonna talk this one over here. Pablo. Yo, Pablo White. You stayed at Don Pablo Cigar. I was stay to you and you punish me. Why? You don't like I go out because no like that you busted. You the one take over the Ababa family. I told you, Pablo. Ades is Dokadi, is a white guy. Now where is the Ades Dokadi? Where is the Renato Isalemuel Ababa? Na Lucia right there, that's the triplets. You know already exactly triplets. And two side bad and one woman black hair side good. Na right now you know already na Lucia know already why you take over the Don Pablo cigar. Belong the Pablo black hair. Not you. You take over the Philippine Cebu before. You claiming Sanchez Ababa. I told you I pull out you. Your face is a white. You Pablo Harrison. Why you claiming Sanchez Ababa? You get jealous that Abraham Lincoln Jr. is Pablo Sanchez Ababa. You get jealous why is a billionaire. Real God is still got the power. You don't have a power. You are real God. You same thing born 1924. John 30, 1924. But the son that got you not belong to you. Belong that Mary and Pablo black hair. You was take over the wife that Pablo. You take over the steady girlfriend too. Why? You take over because Pablo too. You change all the time. That you get busy that Pablo black hair. You not real my father, Pablo White. And you claiming Sanchez Ababa. You better get out the Don Pablo cigar and you brainwash that John Rambo, Ria face, belong that Mary, the white woman, and the black hair is Abraham Lincoln Jr., is Pablo Sanchez Ababa. You're not Sanchez. Your face is Harrison, is Pablo Harrison, the white guy. Na match to you is Pablo Harrison. I repeat, you Pablo Harrison. You're not Sanchez Ababa. I gonna talk this one. Tom Cruise, you hung up the real face. Where is that Tom Cruise, the actor, the movie? The real face. They hung up, they put the church, the Mary. Now where is the real face? I know the real face Tom Cruise. I was looking Tom Cruise. Belong the Mary, white, and Pablo, black hair. But Arnold's was a nigger. Same thing belong the Pablo black hair and Mary. But no, the handcuff, the Arnold, stayed at California. Arnold, you better pull out the Tom Cruise, Arnold. The area face Arnold, the handcuff. Now this area, Arnold, this room downstairs, Arnold, that's the church Mother Mary. Na real. The Pablo White, they take over the Don Pablo cigar. And the son belong the Mary and Pablo black hair. You Pablo White, you big lying the son that know that belong to you, that Paola. You got Dina Camacho, Ababa, belong that to you and Paola, Pablo White. That's why traitor, no like the John Rambo. Why belong the Pablo black hair? Belong the Sanchez Ababa. I know already they carry the John Rambo. John is a Baba family. And you, Pablo White, you know already that you claiming Sanchez that your face is a white. You're not Sanchez Ababa. Sanchez Ababa is Arab. Abraham Lincoln Jr. Pablo Sanchez Ababa, the blessing. I got birth certificate, my father, and your birth certificate right here over there. I pull out your face. I told you come out, it's you, Mats. You, Pablo Harrison. And my father, I pull out. I was the immigration. I take off the oaths because I pull out my father's face. Come out is Abraham Lincoln Jr. is Pablo Sanchez Ababa, my father. You claiming why? You know already my father is a billionaire, twice billionaire, because this daughter stay to you. You kidnap me and you talk to your daughter Juna Magallanes and Dina. That Dina Ababa belong to you, Pablo Harrison. Dina, you know claiming Ababa, Dina, you're not Ababa, and you married Renato Ryder. You belong Pablo White and Paula. Renato Ryder calling Renato, that's Lemuel Ababa, my twin brother. Belong to Pablo black hair and Mary, the triplets. One white, two is a black hair. Two is a boy, one is a girl. It's me. You, Gina, you very clever. You stayed at Don Pablo Cigar. You're not a real queen. You're very ambitious to find out that Lucia, that you belong Pablo and Paola. You belong Pablo White, the Pablo Harrison. And you married that Renato. You call Renato, that's Lemuel Ababa. Addis Ababa is a white guy, is Dokidi. You Addis, huh? You side bad and you claiming your father white guy, that you belong Mary white woman and Pablo black hair. Now they kidnap your father and they lock for God at Church Mary and nobody get out. Why? Because the Pablo White and Duna Magallanes before and Dina that belong Pablo White to. Together to handcuff the Pablo black hair, the billionaire, the Pablo black hair. And you together to handcuff the Pablo black hair. You traitor to my family. You, Pablo Harrison, you gonna pay what you done, my father Pablo, and you gonna pay what you done to me. You punish me. Why? You know like you busted. That, you know like Lucia out. You know like somebody say Lucia, you kidnap me. You kidnap me, Pablo, and you told your daughter Duna Magallanes, bring Lucia, the white belong the Pablo black hair, belong the Abraham Lincoln Jr. and marry the white woman, the God. My God, you Pablo White, you take over the Don Pablo Cigar. I still billion Pablo White. I don't give it to you, Pablo White. They go digger me. Nobody handcuff me. They go digger me. I fight my right over here. And nobody take over for me over here. You fuck with me, I fight my right. You gotta remember, you don't want talking your daughter, Jonah Magallanes. You, Gina, you real face, you stayed at Don Pablo Cigar, you're not real queen. You're not real queen, you claiming queen. You Pablo White, your daughter Juna Magallanes, claiming queen too. My God, a queen got the power, is a fighter. Not real. You, Paula, you have to remember, Paula. Triplets, Paula, you get jealous, Mary, my mother, white woman. You get jealous, and you want me, and you kidnap me. Was the war the Hitler before, Paula, the German? And you take over. You take over, and I stay Philippines. I grew up in Philippines, and you blessing the Philippines. You fuck my mother Mary, and you told my mother Mary go back to Pablo Blackhair, and you take over the son, and you told that Pablo White, son, right here, I'm a real father. You are claiming Sanchez Ababa, Pablo Harrison, that your face is Pablo Harrison. Come out. You're not Pablo Sanchez Ababa. You're Pablo Harrison. The Pablo Blackhair come out, the image is Abraham Lincoln Jr. Why you claiming Pablo Sanchez Ababa? That your face, Pablo White, come out is Pablo Harrison. Why you take over the business? Of course, together the family, business to business. But real to you, you get jealous my father, the black hair. Now why you take over? And you told that before to kill my father, now they handcuff my father.